All right, we're in chapter 3 now in section 1 about simple interest. So, making wise decisions about financial matters now and in the future improves your chances for success in life. How do you compare student loans to make the best choice? Is a dealer financing a better option than taking a rebate on a new car purchase? How do you know when refinancing a home mortgage is the best option? This chapter is a study of mathematics of compound and simple interest, and understanding the basics of mathematics of finance can help equip you with the analytical tools that will help you make wise financial decisions. Now, to use these tools, you'll need a calculator that includes exponential and logarithmic processes, preferably a graphing calculator. Throughout this chapter, interest rates are to be converted to decimal form before they're used in a formulae. So when we're doing all these, we always have to convert the interest rate to the decimal. We can't keep it as a percent, otherwise you won't get the right answer. Now, simple interest. That is used for short-term debt, basically, something usually less than a year. The concept of simple interest forms the basis for materials in this chapter. And when money is deposited into a savings account or borrowed from a lender, the amount deposited or borrowed is called the principal and is often symbolized with the capital letter P. And when money is deposited into a saving account, the savings institution is the borrower, and they pay a fee to the depositor for the use of your money. Now, when the money is borrowed from a lending institution, the borrower pays a fee to the lending institution for the use of their money. So, depending on who's giving the money to who, depends on who's going to end up paying the fees. Now, the fee charged for the use of this money is called interest. Now, the interest is rent paid for the use of the money. Interest is usually computed as a percentage, the interest rate, of the principal over a given period of time. Unless otherwise stated, the interest rate is an annual rate. Now, simple interest basically is interest is equal to P times R times T, where P is the principal, R is the rate, the interest rate, remember, in decimal form, and T is the number of years. So let's compute the interest on a loan of $500 at 8% for 6 months. All right, so all we're looking for here is the interest. So interest is equal to P, which is your $500, times your rate, which is 0.08, because we have to convert that to a decimal, and times 6 months. Well, this is based on years, and so 6 months is a half a year. So now we just plug that in our calculator, and we go over here. So we're going to take our $500 times our 0.08 times our half a year, and we end up with 20. So that's going to be $20 is going to be our interest that we have to pay for that loan of $500 at 8% for the 6 months. All right, let's stop there.